The internet. We use it every single day to watch videos, chat with friends, play games, or even run businesses. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, how does the internet really work? It feels invisible, like magic. Yet, behind the scenes, it's one of the biggest and most complex systems ever created. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Devices and connections. When you open your phone or laptop and connect to Wi-Fi, your device becomes part of a much larger network. This network starts small. Your home router connects your device to your internet service provider, or ISP. Your ISP is the company that gives you internet access, like MTN, Airtel, or Comcast, depending on where you live. Think of your ISP as the gatekeeper. It connects your device to the rest of the world. Step 2. Data as packets. When you visit a website like YouTube, you're actually sending and receiving data packets. Packets are like tiny envelopes carrying pieces of information, text, images, or videos. Your request is broken into many small packets, sent across the network and reassembled at the other end. This is why you can stream videos smoothly, even though millions of other people are online at the same time. Step 3. IP addresses and DNS. Every device on the internet, your phone, your router, even big servers, has an IP address. This is like the street address of your house. Without it, no one would know where to deliver the data. But here's the problem. IP addresses are just numbers like 142, 250, 190, 78. Nobody wants to remember that. That's where DNS comes in, the domain name system. DNS works like the phone book of the internet. When you type google.com, DNS translates it into the correct IP address, so your request goes to the right server. Step 4. Servers and data centers. So, where does the website actually live? That's where servers come in. A server is basically a super-powered computer that stores websites, apps, or services. When you load a website, your packets travel all the way to these servers, fetch the data, and send it back to your device. Big companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft run massive data centers with thousands of servers that handle requests from millions of people every second. Step 5. The backbone of the internet. Now, how do these packets travel around the world? The internet has a backbone, huge fiber optic cables laid underground and under the oceans. These cables carry light signals that move incredibly fast, transmitting data across continents in milliseconds. That's how someone in Nigeria can video call a friend in the US almost instantly. There are also satellites, but undersea cables still carry more than 95% of global internet traffic. Step 6. Routing and switching data doesn't travel in a straight line. Packets hop across multiple devices called routers and switches. Each router decides the fastest path for your packet, just like how GPS chooses the quickest route to your destination. If one path fails, the packet simply takes another, making the internet very resilient. Step 7. Protocols. All of this only works because the internet has rules, called protocols. The most important one is TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, and Internet Protocol. These rules make sure packets are sent, received, and reassembled correctly. Without protocols, the internet would just be chaos. Step 8. Security layers. Of course, security is crucial. When you see HTTPS on a website, that means your data is encrypted, scrambled so no one can read it while it travels across the internet. Without encryption, hackers could intercept your packets and steal sensitive data like passwords or bank details. Step 9. The human side. Finally, remember, the internet isn't just technology. It's millions of people, businesses, and organizations connected together. It's not owned by one company or government. Instead, it's a global network of networks where cooperation keeps everything running. So the next time you stream a video, send a message, or play an online game, remember, your device talks to your router connects to your ISP. Your ISP sends packets across the internet backbone. DNS finds the right IP address. Routers guide the packets to the right server. The server replies, and the whole process happens in milliseconds. The internet isn't magic, it's science, engineering, and teamwork, all working together to connect the world. If you enjoyed this breakdown of how the internet really works, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Hack Only Evil, and share it with a friend who always says, the internet is just Wi-Fi. Because now you know, it's much, much more than that. Join my Telegram channel for upcoming cybersecurity training lessons.